Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word awkwardly. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She stood awkwardly in the corner of the room, unsure of what to do next. Awkwardly means in a manner that lacks smoothness or grace, often resulting in discomfort or embarrassment due to clumsiness or social awkwardness. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.